DeepSeek,
DeepSeek
中国人工智能 AI 企业深度求索。
DeepSeek 在人工智能领域获得重大突破，吸引全球关注。
Hello everyone. DeepSeek has been very popular recently. Today, we will teach you how to install the light version of DeepSeek R1 large language model on edge computing devices such as Raspberry Pi. This tutorial is not only applicable to Raspberry Pi, it is also applicable to platforms such as Jetson and RDK series. Actual usage results may vary, depending on device performance and memory size. We adopt an open source tool this time, Ollama. Aims to simplify the deployment process of large language models. No tedious configuration process required. Only 2 lines of command. Easily deploy and run the DeepSeek model. Open the computer. Open the terminal of the edge computing device, such as Raspberry Pi or Jetson, RDK. Enter the command to install Ollama. When the above content appears in the terminal, it means that the installation is successful. During the installation, the Raspberry Pi will prompt a warning. The content is that the GPU is not detected. Ollama will run in CPU mode. We can ignore it and proceed to the next step. Then we can enter the command in the terminal to pull the model from the registry. Here we take the model with 1.5B parameters as an example. After downloading the model, can interact with the text. From the interaction process, the system responds smoothly. If you want to change the model with different parameters for experience, the operation is also very simple. If you have a device with 8GB RAM, can try to run the 7B, 8B DeepSeek R1 model. Just enter the following command in the terminal. The system will automatically pull the model from the registry. After the download is complete, you can immediately start text interaction with the 7B, 8B model. Compared with the 1.5B model, it can provide more detailed and logical answers when dealing with complex problems. Based on DeepSeek's unique deep thinking and reasoning, the answer accuracy is satisfactory. If your device RAM reaches 16GB, you might as well try the 14B model. Enter the following command in the terminal. This model with larger parameters can provide more accurate interpretations of various professional problems. However, it should be noted that, although the 14B model is powerful, it also has higher requirements for device performance. Actual tests show that it runs smoothly on Jetson or an NX 16GB, runs very slowly on Raspberry Pi 5 16GB. DeepSeek R1 large model local deployment enables efficient and low-latency AI reasoning capabilities, reduces cloud reliance, greatly improves response speed and stability, also avoids the risk of data leakage, empowers smart devices with more powerful autonomous decision-making capabilities. Based on the hardware performance of your device, you can choose the appropriate DeepSeek R1 parameter version to explore and experience the large language model on edge computing devices, such as Raspberry Pi, Jetson, RDK series, etc. The following are the recommended models for different master control board. Those who are interested can check that